are you doing? Hoping you're doing fine. My name is James Nivel, the best teacher in Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. Welcome guys to my kitchen. So today guys we're going to make these are my ingredients. Vegetable cooking oil, flour, some salt, and some hot water. So this is my cup used. I'm going to use it for measuring the unga. Let's start. So we're gonna need. So guys, we're going to add in 2 of these cups instead. One in, and the next one. So guys, I already washed my hands. So I'm gonna pour that one in and mix the flour together. After the mixing, you're gonna add in some salt. Make sure it's not excess and it's not little. Then you're gonna mix it all together. So guys, evenly mix the salt and the flour together. So mix it. Give it a well mix to mix them together. So that some chapatis will have salt and others will not have salt. So now we're gonna add in some warm water. Then mix. So guys, we're going to mix it while adding in water. So mix. So we're gonna add in some more water. That's enough. So guys, you're going to add in some oil and then continue kneading it. Okay. That's enough. So guys, make sure your dough is soft. See this? After that, you're gonna cover it with a clean tablecloth. Yeah. Huh? And leave it for 10 minutes, guys. So guys, look at my dough. It's so soft. Look at that. Then I'm gonna put it here. I added some flour. So guys, we are rolling it into a circle so that we add in hot vegetable oil. Yeah. Let's roll. So guys, ensure that it's not so thin. Look at this. Yeah. Ensure that it's not thin. So guys, here's my hot oil. I'm gonna take some and pour it. Some more. That's enough. Then you're gonna spread it out. Because the oil is hot, we can't touch it. Wait, die.
Why haven't I died?
Okay, it looks scary. Should I try? Oh, I was exaggerating.
We put a lot.
Yeah. Then so guys, you're gonna roll it. So guys, after rolling it, you're going to take your knife and cut it. So guys, I'm cutting it this way. I'm rolling it because I wanted layers. So we're gonna cut it. Not so small. Okay. The last one here, and this here. Then the last one's gonna go here. Then you're gonna add some flour on top of it. You're gonna cover them and leave them for 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, you are going to open them and roll them. So I'm gonna take some flour, sprinkle it on the table, and spread it around. Yeah, spread it really good. So first you're putting the pan on board. Then we're taking one chapati for the pan. Then we're gonna add one chapati, then roll. So we are rolling it. So guys, I'm done with the first one. I'm going to do the second one. So it's ready. Taking the second one, holding it shape. Then some flour, spread it wisely. Then I'm gonna turn it so that all of them have some flour. And voila. I'm done with the second one, so I'm going to the third one because my pan is not yet ready. So I'm gonna place them aside. The third one. Some format. Okay. Then roll. So guys, these are my 3 chapatis. I'm going to start with this one because my pan is ready. And guys, I'm just going to dry them before I add in the oil. So let's take it and place it. So the first one. Don't laugh. Hey, don't laugh. This is no joke. It's kinda hot. So guys, I'm going to remove it. Then let's go to the second one. I'm gonna make contact with the pan because what? It's more than hot. Now, so guys, here goes the third one. guys, you can see there's a little bit of flour. So we are going to, after drying it, you're going to wipe it off to avoid the pan from burning.
Wipe using what?
A clean table cloth. That's ready. So I had to return it. I totally forgot I hadn't dried the other side. So guys, after drying the chapatis, I'm going to put them on the pan. In the pan. Then I'm gonna add in some oil. So the one that when I talk again to wipe it on.
Nirusha chapati. Ingine nashikia. Kizunguka hivi. Kidogo kadokana sana baada yake.
So we are moving it.
Tunapenda hata tuone. Jo, hiyo ukitupe na mafuta umemwaga tu hapo mengi. Unataka kuchoma watu.
So guys, my chapati is dried. So this is the last one, guys. So I'm gonna add in some oil. Guys, you see the layers being shown. So guys, they're done. And guys, I told you I'm cooking layer chapati. So guys, it's still hot, but look at that. Look at that. Isn't that layers? Okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to this video for more and more and more.